Picture a world where every rooftop gleams with the promise of a brighter tomorrow. A world where energy independence is not just a dream, but a reality. It's a world powered by the sun, where installing solar PV systems is the key to a sustainable future. But this isn't just about saving the planet, it's also about saving money. With solar energy, you can say goodbye to those hefty power bills and hello to long-term savings. So why wait? Embrace the power of the sun and step into a world of limitless possibilities. Visit our website today and discover how solar energy can transform your life. Let's create a future that's as vibrant as your imagination.